In this video, I will show you step by step how you can send money as friends and family on PayPal. So step number one, to be able to do this, we simply need to head over to our PayPal. And then once we head over to PayPal from the main page here, once we have logged in, what we now need to do is go down and click on the pay button. Once we do this, you will then be brought to a page that looks very similar to this. There may be a new update, but what you can do first of all is go and enter in their name, username, email address, or mobile phone number. So for example, if I type in Ryan here, I will then be brought up with this, and then you can then click on that person that you want to send the money to. Once you do this, you can then choose how much you want to send. So for example, £10. You can change the currency also, and then once you have done this, click on next. And then you simply want to go ahead and click on next to confirm. Once you confirm this, that will then send the specific amount that you have entered into here as friends and family on PayPal.